let's do some stuff like the weekend. It's raining here, as you can see. I'm wearing my coat in the studio, which is just a depressing state of affairs. So we're going to do something suitably dark and depressing. I'm thinking we'll do some old school weekend vibes. Yeah, let's do it. Let's have some fun. Let's make some music. Now, you know what? I'm going to start with the Rhodes. Pretty simple instrumentation, nothing too crazy. Oh, that's nice. I like that. It's so simple. Okay, let's get a tempo. I'm thinking slow. How slow? 95? Let's try it. I can always speed it up later. 1, 2, 3. That is gorgeous. That is so nice. Okay, we need to get that a little bit more lo-fi sounding, I think. I'm going to try some RC20 on there, but I don't even think it needs that much, to be honest. Like, that's nice. That's so nice. I love that. Let's get a little bit of some tape on there. Oh, there's that super VHS plugin. Ooh, let's try this out, actually. Ooh, that's like a stereo widener little thing. Oh, that is such a vibe. Man, that is so beautiful. I'm seriously loving that. Loving that Rhodes. That is gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to find some drum samples. Yeah, I love that kick. That's great. Yeah, I like that snare. Let's get something basic in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like that. That is nice. Okay, I like the sound of that hat. Don't know what I did there, but I liked it. It's so nice. We are having some fun here. Gotta add some guitars next, for sure. Right, let's get an amp on there, and we can get something sounding pretty tasty. Oh, I like that, because I can add my own effects to that. I already love that little riff, whatever I played there. Let's try it out. Oh, okay. This is such a vibe. This is such a vibe. Right, let's get that recorded in. These little pitch bends are doing bits. That was super nice. Right, let's try a few different amps now. I've got that really nice. That sounds like a synth. That is awesome. That just needs to be super wide, I think. That VHS, Super VHS will go perfectly. That needs just to be reverb to the balls. Awesome. That's like a chorus section, I think. That goes here. We'll add a pad under it doing the same chords as this using something. Transfer this to Analog Lab. Dash this across here. Get this with a nice pad. That's cool. That's cool as hell. I want take out. Take out some of that. Add some delay on there. I could maybe go here as well. What's this like with both of them? Very nice. Maybe we widen this with VHS as well. Who knows? Hang on, let's try that. Super nice. For sure, some drum bus processing. I think this needs definitely some tape. Maybe we'll get the this little UAD boy. Let's see what we're saying here. Let's send all these drums over to some room. We're already getting there, but a bit of compression would be nice. Ooh, I might try some Varamute compression, you know. See if we can get a nice sound out of this. Lovely stuff. We got some very nice little bit of compression on there. Now we definitely need to get some bass going through here. I think we'll use a little profit patch on here. Vibing with that. I want to give that some chorus. Give that a bit of side chain compression as well. Let's get that last little bit of the bass just warming up. Ooh. Tape stop, I think, on here. Maybe it should be the drums. I don't know. I want a little contrast there. That's hard. That's hard. Right, the last thing I want to do, well, the last thing I can think of for now, is some little like pling, little twinkly piano bits. I'm going to use them do them on a synthetic piano though. 2, 3, 4. That is so cool. We want to get some processing on here. Get some spaced out. Woohoo. Yes. I think we'll leave it there for today. That was unreal. I love that. So fun. Yeah. Wow. Okay, we're done for today.